Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Amazon wishlist. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The Amazon wishlist can serve many purposes. It can be used as your own personal safe for leather list, which contains your list of things to buy or save for. It can also be used as an online gift registry for many events such as weddings, birthdays, babies, and others, which you can then use to share with your friends and family. If you're looking for a gift for someone who maintains such a list on Amazon, you can just browse through his list and buy from there. But now, what if you want to create your own wish list on Amazon? It's so simple. So first of all, we can open our Amazon app. Now you can just tap on the three lines over here on the bottom of your screen. There is an option, your list. You can just tap on that. So here's all your list will be saved. Now, if you want to create your own wish list, you can see there is an option plus icon in there. You can just tap on that. And here you can create your list name. You can enter your list name maybe like this. Now you can just tap on create list. So here's your list. You can invite your friends. You can also add items. If you want to add item, you can just tap on add item in here. You can search for the item that you're looking for. Like this one. It was added. And you can just manage your wish list in here. Simple, right? So that is how to create wish list on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.